Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to make a channel private in Microsoft Teams desktop application or Microsoft Teams desktop client. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Microsoft Teams desktop client, and then just connect with your Teams account or Outlook account, and then you will need just to follow the simple steps. After that, you will need to go to the Teams page or to the Teams view and search for it here in the navigation tab or bar, and click on Teams, and you will have this view as follow. So basically, to make a channel to be private, you will need to create from the beginning and make it private from its creation. You can't change the type of a channel, so basically you need to create a private channel. To do so, you will need just either to go to your class where you want to add a private channel and click on the 3 point action and uh, go to add channel and click on it, and basically here you will add the name of the channel, so basically private, and make it private, and then you will click on create, and basically now you can add the members of this channel if you want. I'm just going to skip for the moment, and here you have your private channel, and as you can see it has already a lock icon. And of course, now you can change some permissions by going to the 3 point action of the channel. So here you can just go manage channel and go to the settings here, and you will have some other uh, permissions or other stuff that you can change as the settings. For example, to allow the member to update and remove tabs, etc., or give them only the ability to delete the messages. You can remove it. You can have multiple options that you depends on your choice of your permissions or your channel permissions. So basically this is how you can create or make a channel private. Thank you for watching and see you next time.